بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أريد أن أسأل عن آية من سورة الإسراء، الآية رقم 63. 63.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
The verse which before. قال إذهب.
وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس قال أسجد لمن خلقت طينا قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
The verse I have in my mind, قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤهم جزاء موفورا.
I said the next one, yes. قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا.
Yes, حضور, when Hadrat Imam al-Razi
read the translation.
Yes. The translation is, and call to mind when we said to the angels, submit to Adam, and they all submitted, but Iblis did not. He said, shall I submit to one whom thou hast created of clay? And he said, what thinkest thou? Can this whom thou hast honored above me be my superior? If thou wilt grant me respite till the day of resurrection, I will most surely bring his descendants under my sway, except a few. Allah said, be gone, and whoso shall follow thee from among them, hell shall surely be the recompense of you all, a full recompense.
Allah.
Yes, that's it.
Yes, Hadrat Imam al-Razi speak about this verse and say that be gone to, it means that imdi li sha'nika alladhi ikhtartahu. It means go for your own امضي لشأنك الذي اخترته والمقصود التخلية وتفويض الأمر إليه. It means that God has gave him a responsibility to do something for Iblis. So I want to understand what the exact meaning of zahab, izhab.
Translation. You see, the Imam Razi offers many a possible interpretation of the same verse, which has been proposed by different Muslim scholars. So I don't know whether he himself approves of this meaning or he is just presenting it by way of one of the understanding of this verse. If it's one of the understandings, then of course it's not necessarily that of the Imam Razi himself. But personally, I disagree with this interpretation, whoever has forwarded it. Izhab is not a word of approval, as if he has been authorized to do it in a positive sense. Izhab is an expression of indicating the grant of permission which he himself had sought from God. If somebody seeks permission to do mischief, and God says, all right, you are permitted, then the word izhab should be understood in the context of that. Do whatever evil you have in mind, for which I have given you respite. So it is not a task assigned to him, not at all. It is an evil practice of Satan for which he sought respite or time till the doomsday. So Allah was not afraid of him at all. Izhab means go ahead and do whatever you like. But my servants, those who belong to me, you will have no sway over them whatsoever. And in fact, the Holy Quran says you will have no sway over anyone, because those who have crooked mind within, only these perverted humans would follow you of their own accord. Not that you will be able to gain any supremacy over them. The Holy Quran very clearly speaks of the human nature of inner distortions. So the Holy Quran says only those will follow you who have already distorted intentions, who are already crooked within. They will follow the like of theirs. So don't boast of your ascendancy over them either. But those who belong to me, in soul, in spirit, in dedication, you will have no ascendancy whatsoever over them. So this is the clear import of this verse, which should not be permitted to be twisted in any other way.